happened last night?
Okay,
Oh my God,
Abby?
we got married
Last night.
Let's do this right and have a proper honeymoon.
I love you, Pigeon.
Welcome to Gatito, Mexico.
Hola, señor Mado. Arriba y arriba y arriba.
You know, it's just crossed the threshold.
Well, this isn't too barbaric. No, but it was so cute with our initials on it.
TNA, because you got the best.
This marriage is starting off on the wrong foot.
Don't you want to have some fun?
This is not about his needs. This marriage is about your needs. You cannot disrespect the power of the book.
Please tell me that's not Abby.
It's definitely Abby.
What happened to Manny Petties? What are you doing?
You said it was a topless beach.
That doesn't apply to foreigners.
Leave me alone. Really?
I love you, Pigeon. This is a pro-con list.
Just to see if we should get a quick annulment. I even gave us a head start because you have the biggest...
Who's got the big...
Look, I know I can be possessive. What on me?
You're suffocating her.
She's my wife.
She has a bad habit of disappearing, and I don't want that to happen to either of us.
We want you to fight for her. You don't see what's staring you right in the face. Love.
I don't even know what to say.
You'd say yes.